Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, we have to switch to the video one in order to open the options connected with the video. So let's simply tap on it. And as you can see in this panel, which is in this configuration, is on my right hand side, contains the options which are connected with the resolution. It is the option, the FHD and 30 frames per second currently applied, and also the ratio. You can customize it if you want to. So let's start with the resolution. Simply tap on it in order to open more options. As you can see, we've got the FHD option, which is highlighted, and it means it is currently applied, and the HD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option, and as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Of course, it's up to you which option you prefer to use. However, it is better to use the FHD as it is the best possible resolution. Of course, in this device. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.